good, guys, and welcome back to another FTB video. Today we have do-yourself at home, pretty much budget-friendly headliner. Pretty much we're gonna go ahead and switch out this headliner. As you can see, it's like a gray, which I'm not too big of a fan of. It looks very old-fashioned and out of date. So I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much choose a black suede. I really like black, and I want to kind of black out the interior as much as I possibly can. Over time we're gonna go ahead and do all of that, but besides that, this headliner is due for a new one because I don't know if you can see that, probably not, right here. Yeah, give me a second. Well, I'll show you a close-up. As you can see, this is pretty much like the old right here, and it's like it's already gone. Like the glue is not sticking anymore, and it's pretty old, fairly old. And it looks really horrible. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this entire headliner, and then hopefully clean this off too. So that way we can get this car looking a lot better, at least a lot newer, or more like pretty much well taken care of. The car has gone a long way though since I first received it. I have more plans on the way, but let's not waste any time. I'm going to my local Joann's fabric store. If you don't know what that is, I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. But it's the best place to go for if you're looking for a headliner or anything fabric related. But since I'm gonna obviously get some fabric, I need to get that. And then we also need spray adhesive. And I already have scissors and a knife at home, so I'll be good on that. But yeah, let's go ahead and hit up the store. All right, guys, we got the stuff, we got the goods. Let me show you guys real quick. I just basically bought some spray adhesive. I got 2 of these, and then we also bought the black suede fabric. So now let's go ahead and go home. I'll show you guys how to remove the headliner, how to glue it on, and hopefully if we have enough time, we can go ahead and install it back into the car today. So stay tuned, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so we are home. Here's my toolkit right here, and then we're gonna get cracking on this headliner. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but you never know with these cars. So hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already, and I hope you like this montage. Let's get going. So I actually went ahead and took that piece out right here. It was pretty simple. It was just one latch connection. As you can see, it's right about here. This right here. It was the only thing that was connected. Take this piece out. That way I can take this whole thing right here. I'm not taking this out. I'm just taking the top portion off. But I'm just taking the top portion off so that way I can go ahead and make this black, and then this I can wrap it with the suede. That way it's easier and it's more complete rather than just being this and then this is gray. Wouldn't really go for that, but let's keep moving. Before I keep moving forward, I forgot to take out the dome lights. Don't forget to do that, but this belonged up here, and as you can see, there's 2 bolts right here. This is one, and then this is the other. Once taking that off, that's gonna take out this. Next thing I have to take out is the visor over there, and then the sunroof button right there. Pretty straightforward. I'll show you what those are like as well. So I was able to take off this piece entirely right here. Pretty much you have to pull on this and then this whole thing will come out. There is a latch down here. There is another one up here, which I broke, but whatever. There's one here and one here. Pretty much that's what's gonna be on this piece right here. But entirely took out that piece, so now this sunroof is able to come out. Now I just have to do this side over here, and we are rocking, move to the forward, and we're out. So now we have the second piece off right there. Don't forget to pull this out. You have to take that out real quick. It's pretty straightforward so far, at least. Yeah, these little things, pretty much just pop them out, and then you should be able to take them off. And then as you can see, we have pretty much most of the headliner off so far. Now next is we have to go to the front and take that, and then for the most part this whole thing should come out. So when you want to take the sun visor off, all you have to do is pretty much just pop this out of place from here, like that. And then you just have these bolts right there that you just need to take off, and then pretty much this whole thing will come out. And then with this right here, you initially just have to go ahead and then just pretty much pop out like this right here, and then it should come out. And then these are just push pins, so once you take them off and slide them out, it looks like that, and then this is what's inside, and then you should be able to just pretty much just take it out. And then for the center dome, you just have to take out from this side right here with the flathead, and then it'll come out right here and right here. And then if it focuses, there's a screw right there. That's a Star Phillips right here and right there. Taking those two out, initially this whole piece should come out. When you do this side right here, it's just those two bolts, and then the sun visor should come out, and then this is just clamped on. So Honda is pretty fairly easy on taking out all this stuff. It's just, you just need time. And then once you take those two things out, the sun visor and the dome right here, just take this pillar out right here. It's nothing but clamp, so just pull it, and then that's pretty much it. As you can see, the whole headliner is pretty much just holding on to just this right now, the sun visor. Once taking this out, this should come out, so we are one step closer to finishing. And just like that, we have it all out. Didn't take too long, about 30 minutes or so. But now let's get going and put on the black suede.
What this is saying then is that you aren't doing it in just the same way as you're breathing without knowing how you breathe.